This is question. We have two figures. We have two figures. First is a keyboard. First is keyboard and second is cube. You can identify which one is a keyboard, which one is a cube. How? If sides, measure of sides of all are equal, then that would be cube. If L, B, H, these three are different to each other, then that will be considered as keyboard. There are two boxes as shown. Which box requires the lesser amount of material to to make lesser amount? So of course I think we will find what area lesser amount. We will we will take a lesser amount to make if we make a cupboard, so and length will be this at this breadth this would be, then which one will take a lesser amount to make a cupboard or cube? Now total surface area of this cupboard is what? 2 into L plus LP plus BH plus HF. This is the total surface area of this cupboard. Total surface area of a cube is 6a square. 6a square. So let's start from this. Total surface, total area surface, total area surface. What total area surface? 2 into L. L, B, B, H, H, F. 2 multiple L is how much? L is 60 multiple 40 plus 40 multiple 50 plus 50 multiple 60. Here we applied total area of this surface. Here total area of surface. Total area of surface. We are not finding volume. Okay, we are not finding volume. Volume will be something else. I think it should be L multiple B multiple H. This is volume of a cupboard, and volume of this would be A cube. I think A cube. We are finding total surface. Okay, total surface. Surface. Okay, not inside amount. Now 2 multiple this 6 4s are 24 plus 5 4s are 20, 6 5s are 30, 2 multiple 20 2000 4000 7000. Now yes, 24 multiple 2, 4 2s are 8, 1, 7 2s are 14, 15. Here we are getting 15,800 centimeter square. It is a total surface of cupboard. Now total of cupboard. Total area surface of cube would be what? 6a square. 6a square. Now there are six surfaces. Area 6 multiple 50 multiple 50. 6 multiple 25. Now 25 multiple 6. 25 multiple 6. 6 5s are 30. 3. 6 2s are 12. 15 15 15,000. So which is less? So cube is less. So answer would be cube will take a lesser amount. Okay, we will take cube will take lesser amount. So answer would be what? Here something is wrong. 3005 7 24 multiple 2 multiple 2 4 2 side 14. Yes. So of course this will take. So keyboard will take a lesser amount. Add it wrong in multiplication. Now next question. Just have a look. After few seconds I will erase it. In this question we found total area surface of a cuboid. Then we found the total area surface of a cube. Then we saw that it has a less area. No, it has a more area, it has a less area. So of course it will take less amount to make it. We applied here this formula 2 into LB plus BH plus HF. It is a surface. Okay. I know we know that this is a 3D shape. It has a shape. It has a space. It has a space. This have a space. Now we can find the volume of this. Volume of this cuboid will be what? L into B into H. Area of this would be A cube. Now lateral surface area, then this is question. It is telling you find the side of a cube whose surface area. Whose surface area is how much? 600 centimeter. So total surface area of a cube is how much? 600. How much? 600 centimeter. Formula of this happens what? 6a square. Okay. Now what is a square? 600 upon 6. A square is equal to 100. It is a perfect square of 10. So area one side is measure of one side of one cube is A. Clear? This is answer. A measure of one side of a cube is a 10 centimeter. Answer is correct. Now next question. Next question is next question is let me write then you look. This is question. Question is asking. Question is asking. Daniel is a painting. Daniel is the name of a boy. He is a painting the walls and the ceiling of a cuboid cuboid L, with length, breadth, and height of a 15 meter, 10 meter, and 7 meter respectively. So length is 15 meter, breadth is 10 meter, and height is 7 meter. Height is 7 meter. From each can of point from each can of paint not point paint 100 meter square of area is painted. 100 meter square area is painted. How many cans of paint will need to paint the room? So your total surface area would be what? 2 AB plus BH plus HF minus LB. Why? Here we are removing this LB. LB is what? This L. So I think the walls and ceiling of cupboard L. This base area is not being painted by that wall. That's why we are removing this from this. To L, 15 multiple 10 plus 10 multiple 7 plus 7 multiple 15 minus 15 multiple 10 to 150 70 7 5s are 3 150 150. What else? 200 200 200 300 325 325 minus 150 650 minus 150 50 and 6 so 500. It is a total surface area of a being of a being of a to be rented. So this much is the area on which is being painted by this wall, and 100 meter square area is painted. Each cane of a paint 100 meter square of area is painted. If one cane is taking how much area? 100 meter. So how many cans? Total area is this much. So 5. If one can is taking 100 meter square. I have how much? 5. So 500 upon 10. So of course it will be how much? 5. X is equal to X is the number of cans. X is equal to X is the number of cans. So 5 cans will take area, this area 5 can. Okay. Now next, volume. This is clear. One can will take this much area. So we have complete area, and this complete area is being painted by this bar. Now one can is taking how much area? 100. So how many number of cans will take this much area? So 5 cans of a paint this much that can 5 number of cans will take this much area. 5 cans, not only one. Now next, volume of a keyboard cylinder. Volume of a cube. Cube, which means all sides will be equally. So volume of this would be what? volume of cube would be only this side, and this side. We don't care about equally. So here 3. 3 is an indication of volume. Now next, volume of cuboid. Cuboid in which surfaces are rectangle like that. So volume of cuboid would be L, this one, L multiple B multiple H. That's it. And we will apply like that, centimeter cube with the units because of volume. Now next, cylinder. This is a cylinder. Here we have two circles. So volume of a cylinder would be what? This is a height, and this is a radius, and this is a radius. We have two radius. So height 2 pi r h. I think this 2 pi r h. Volume of cylinder would be what? 2 pi r h. R, yes, it should be. No. Pi r square h. Pi r square h. We have 2 r square and pi only alone, and this h. Why 2 r? Because we have two circles. Okay, but the total area surface of this would be what? This would be what? 5 to pi r h. Total surface area of a cylinder would be 2 pi r. This is 2 pi r total surface area. This is 2 pi r and r plus h. It means 2 pi r square plus 2 pi r h. We have this one and this one. 2 pi r square. We took 2 square, 2 circles, and this is perimeter, 2 pi r h. 2 pi r and h, perimeter. This is perimeter. We will get total surface area of a cylinder. But here lateral surface area of this would be 2 pi r h, lateral surface. We avoid this, only this. Okay, lateral surface, this is known as lateral surface. So of course this would be 2 pi r h. This would be 2 pi r h. Now next question. Remember, volume of a cylinder would be what? Would be volume of lateral surface area would be only 2 pi r square plus 2 pi r h. This is the lateral surface area, not lateral surface, total surface area. Lateral surface area only 2 pi r h. Okay, you don't take two circles, only 2 pi h you take to find lateral surface area of a cylinder. Now total volume we will see. This is question. This is question. It is telling you the lateral surface of a hollow cylinder. Cylinder looks like this. Hollow cylinder is given, which is 4224 centimeter square. It is cut along its height and formed a rectangular sheet of width 33 centimeter, like that. It is cut and it forms a rectangular sheet of width 33 centimeter. Find the length of the rectangular sheet. Rectangular sheet. Rectangular shape. If a total surface is given, lateral surface area is given 4224 centimeter, and it is what? Lateral surface area 2 pi RH 4224. We don't know H. I think H would be 33. H would be 33. So yes, H would be 2 multiplied 22 upon 7. R we don't know. Length of the rectangular sheet. Find the length of the rectangular sheet. This is what we have to find. H is a 33. Okay, no problem. Till here, is it correct? Hold on. Here, as we know, total surface lateral surface area is equal to area of a rectangle It is how much? 24, no, 42, 24. This is how much? L into B. 4 to 24, 33. B is how much? This is a 33. L. From this we will get L length. 33, 42, 24. 33, 1, 9, 2. 3 3s are 9. 3 3s are 9. So 2. 3 2 is 6. 3 2 is 6. 62, 66 in 2 times. 6, 8, 2, 4. 33, 8. 8 3 is 8 3 is 24. 8 3 is 26. So here it came 33 multiple 8 will be 264. This will go. So it is cutting this by 128. So here came 128. This is 128. Here how much? This much. Clear? Clear. Now in another way. In another way. L came 128. This is 400 to 4224. It is equal to 2 pi RH. 2 pi RH. Okay. 2 multiple 22 upon 7 multiple R is, we don't know R. We don't know R. H we know 33. 4, 2, 8, 8, 16. Okay, hold on. So this will take a long time. Yeah, this will take long time. Now next question, let's take. We found what L as a 128. This is question. Question is saying a closed cylinder tank of radius. This is closed. There is no open area with a radius of 7 meter. Height is 3. 3 meter is height. Is made from a sheet of metal. How much of metal is required? Is required. How much? How much metal? So it is asking what? I think total surface area. Yes, total surface area. Total surface area. Total surface area 2 pi r plus h. 2 pi r plus h. Total surface area. This is formula of finding total surface area of a closed cylinder. 2 multiple 22 upon 7, r is 7. 7 plus h is 3. 7 44 multiple 10. 440 meter square. This total surface area, clear? This total surface area is 440 meter square, and we applied this formula 2 pi r square. 2 pi r square means this, and this is what? 2 pi rh. Here 2 pi rh. Clear? Including this with this, we got this formula. Now next question, based on volume of a 3D shape. This is complete question. This is complete question. Now look at this question. It is very easy. It is a question based on volume. Here word is coming volume. But related to this question, find the height of a cupboard. Height of a cupboard whose volume is, this is volume of a cupboard is 27.5 centimeter and base area is 25 centimeter. So here we have to find this height, volume and base is this. We don't know length. This is base area. From base area we can find, isn't it? Base area of a cupboard, it is what? Rectangle. A rectangle L into B is equal to 25, but we don't know base, only we know height. Height is no. here you have given this volume of a cuboid, which is 27.5. Formula of this: L multiple B multiple H, 27.5. Clear? Now this L multiple B, this is given, which is 25. So value of this is given 25 multiple H, 27.5. H is 27.5 upon 25. Here H is 27.5. Okay, 25 multiple 10. Here 27. 5 5s are, and 2 5 5s are. 2 5s are. 2 5s are. That's it. What else? Nothing. This is coming. We are finding height. 11 5s are, and 5 5s are. Yes, 11 upon 10. H came 1.1 centimeter. H came 1.1. Yes, so finally H is what? 11.10, 1.1 centimeter. This is height of the volume of a 27.5. Now next question. This is computation. It is asking you a cuboid is of a dimension this is a L, this is B, this is A, as you know. So L is a 60, B is a 54, as well as H is a 30. This is the dimension of a cuboid. How many small cubes with the side 6 can be placed in this? So as we know, it is saying that area can be placed. Area of a cuboid is equal to what is happening? Area of a cuboid would be what? Area. So volume we will find, isn't it? Volume, because can be placed. How much? So volume, let's see what is the volume of a cuboid. Which dimension is this? 60 multiple 54 multiple 30, 180 multiple 54, 1800 multiple 54, 0084 is 7. 7,600. 7,600. This is centimeter. Now volume of a cube. Volume of a cube. Whose side is 6. So volume 6 multiple 6 multiple 6. 6 6 are 36. 36 multiple 6. 3 6 3 are 18. 18 3 21. 216 centimeter a square. Not a square, cube. Cube. This is answer. This is what? This is answer. Volume of a cube. Now how many? Okay, how many? If we divide this by this, we will get number. So here x, let's say we don't know number of cubes. X multiple 216, 26. So 26 upon 216. We will get here what number of cubes? Number of cubes. Here you will get number of cubes. 216 200 400 3 6 3 is 18 1 3 4 3 2 is 6 648. It is how much? 3 2 1 1 0. I think by 5 5 0 8 10 1080 by 5 0 10 2 2 2 by 10 0 6 1. This is coming. So this much numbers can be placed in this cuboid. This is computation. milk tank. We have a milk tank in the form of a cylinder. This is a tank of milk. Okay, this is a tank of milk. Whose radius is a 1.5 meter, and length is how much? Length is a 7 meter. Length is a 7. Find the quantity of milk that can be stored in the tank. Quantity of milk. Quantity. You can say volume. Volume of this cylinder. If where radius is given as a 1.5 and the height is a 7, then so volume of this tank would be what volume. So I think so volume I am talking about. Yes, pi r square h, pi r square h, isn't it? Volume I am talking about. The volume. This pi and this r and this h. This pi, this r and h. We will get volume. Okay, here pi is a 22 upon 7, r is a 1.5 multiple 1.5 multiple h is a 7, 7 will cut, and here 11 to the 2 5s are 5 3s are 2 5s are and 3 5s are 3 5s are. Here 3 3s are 9, 99 upon 2. We are getting how much? 2 4s are 8, 2 9s are 0.5. It is a what? Meter cube. Here this is a amount of milk. This is a quantity of milk which will be stored in this tank. Now next question. This is complete question. This is complete question. Now read this question. A rectangular piece of paper. Rectangular piece. This is rectangular piece of paper. Which dimension is 11 centimeter into 4. This is 4 and this is 11. Is a folded without overlapping till here to make a cylinder of a height 4. So yes, 4. Find the volume of this cylinder. And now when it is a fold, so it looks like this. It looks like this. So now we have to find volume of this cylinder. Now if this is 11, it means perimeter of this is 11. Perimeter is 11. 2 pi r. 2 pi r is how much? 11. From this we will get a radius. 2 multiple 22 upon 7 multiple r is equal to 11. 2 multiple 22, 7 multiple 11 is equal to r. 11 2s are 2 2s are 4. 4 upon 7. This is r. This is r. R is how much? 4 upon 7. R is 4 upon 7. If this is r, then volume would be pi r square h. Pi r square h. This is volume. 22 upon 7. R is 4 upon 7 multiple 4 upon 7. H is 4. H is 4. This is what is happening. So this will come 7 upon 4. Where this will come 7 upon 4. Here, look at here. This is r. Okay. Here, what will happen? 2 multiple 22 upon 7. Clear? 11. Oh, hold on. This here 11 will come here, and here this will have. Now 11 2s are and 4 upon 7. This is 1 upon r. R is equal to 7 upon 4. This is we got 7 upon 4. Here we will write 7 upon 4 multiple 7 upon 4 multiple 4. This will cut, this will cut. 2 to the 4, 11 2s are. What else? Nothing else. Nothing else. Okay. I am not erasing it. Now here 11 7s are 77 upon 2. 2 3s are 6. 2 8s are 0.5. 38.5. 38.5 is a centimeter cube. It is a volume. It is a volume of this cylinder. Clear? Answer is correct. Answer is correct. Now I am going to erase it. I am going to erase it. Just have a look. One more question. this is complete question. It is saying if each edge of a cube is doubled, how many times will its volume increase? So if edge, this is a, so this will become 2a. So volume 2 multiple a cube. If this will happen. So it is a double. Okay, it is a double. If this is a 2, no, this is a, and this is a. When it is a double, then what happens? This will become 2a, and 2a. Clear? It means this a cube and 2a cube, a cube, 2 to the power 4 to z, 8 cube, 8 cube. What is happening? 8 is coming, only 8 is coming. 8 times is a double. Then answer would be this 8 times. Okay, 8 times. It is this is a, how many times will its volume increase? So 8 times, 8 times this volume will increase 8 times. That's it. That's all.